This is what I've been dreaming about, a table full of red checkered parcels of fishy goodness. Right, day number, I have no idea.
29?
So we think maybe day number 29. And I'd say this is one of the few days that we're not actually going to be taking the bikes out. Okay, morning. Well, afternoon, sorry. Anyway, yeah, so one of the few days because we don't need to bike anywhere today. We're going to go explore the delicious seafood in Key West. Maybe have a couple of margaritas. I've heard there's a place called Margaritaville that Gaz keeps bugging me about because he really wants to go. So yeah, I think we're going to have a real touristy day. First on the list is a little restaurant that does just lobster rolls. Very excited about that one. So we're going to go to the bikes, grab some stuff. We're just going to have a quick look at Gaz's bike. Obviously we've done really well on the bikes and no crashes, but we did do quite a tight U-turn. Let me just show you. This is what the leather should look like. This is an after leather when Gaz gets a bike.
This is a Lobster Shack. Okay, so lobster, like a taco shack.
Hello, do you like lobster?
Yes.
The right place.
Perfect. Yes, we like lobster.
Which one do you like?
I'll have a Stella, please.
Estella, sure.
What's that top one? Yes, what's
This one,
that? Yeah.
Estrella Jalisco, is like a Mexican beer, almost like the Corona beer, but in my opinion, it's better.
What's the best lobster sandwich? What's your
Everything
famous
is very
one?
good.
Yeah.
The key line lobster roll is our top one seller.
Okay.
Because it's the only one that goes with with butter.
Okay.
Everything else has a touch of mayonnaise.
Righty.
Now the Diablo is, you like the spice, it's a little spicy, so
Yeah.
it's very popular for the spice.
We love spice. I'll have a key lime
lime
with
is really good.
jalapenos.
Of course,
And I'll have the Diablo, please.
no problem.
First beer of the day, Estrella Jalisco.
Estrella Jalisco. Oh, yeah.
Like a Corona. She reckons better. I think the taste's exactly the same. Diablo. Key lime with extra jalapeno. Okay. Fresh. Don't like it now. Fresh. Super fresh. I'm liking the jalapeno as well. It definitely gives it that little bit of a kick. It's loaded. Loaded with, I wonder if the lobster tastes different.
Was that my bit?
Yeah. Would you prefer it?
I prefer that one for the mayo.
Yeah, I think the mayo.
But this one gives you more of a feel for the lobster.
Yeah. Lobster Shack. Winning.
I got one of your jalapenos in a flip-flop.
Can I have it? Heading down Duval Street now to check out a couple of bars, cocktails, more food. What is it? So, a dark and stormy Black Seal Rum and Ginger Beer. It's a very different kind of ginger beer than I've seen before. I was expecting fizzy pop like ginger beer. I wasn't expecting an orange and a cherry. Bottoms up. It's nice, it's really nice. It's just very different. Creamy.
Coconutty.
That's so far away from a ginger beer. Right, we'll finish this and explore more. Alright, looks like next stop is fresh homemade sangria.
We've had beer, we've had wine, we've had rum. What's next?
Well, margaritas definitely on the list. And hopefully there'll be a couple of wild cards as well. There's a 100% chance that you were not going to walk past anybody playing a banjo, a triangle, tapping his finger on the bar.
It's all just slow dance. You only let him go so long. Out of town. Everyone pretend like that just blew your mind.
Alright, Margaritaville. This is by far the smallest Hard Rock I've ever seen. Yeah, buddy? Oh,
Which way is it?
that way.
down there.
2 blocks that way?
You'll know when you see it.
Yeah, you can't miss it. England. Yeah, everybody keeps saying we're from Australia. Right, sooner than planned, seafood time. What I'd like to do is try a lot of different stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Technically, what would you recommend personally,
One of
flavour-wise? One of each. Two of each.
Our scallops are fresh. They're from New Bedford, Massachusetts.
Definitely some scallops.
You want to try the local fish?
Yep.
Tell us which one, and we're going to give you like maybe not giant portions, but portions of each
Yep.
that would fill your order.
Maybe some shrimp as well.
All right. What madness have you ordered?
It's coming. Get some cooked shrimp.
One, and then you do like
Yeah. Possibly the coolest beer we've ever found. Hop gun. This is what I've been dreaming about. A table full of red checkered parcels of fishy goodness.
You might love it.
So, cooked shrimp. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's as soft as I was hoping for. Try another one. How's it crab?
That and shrimp.
Yeah. Oh, it's a lot easier than having to crack it.
Yeah, the thing is, I don't know what I'm doing with this. I don't know what.
What you meant to suck out and what you're not.
Got no idea.
Oh, but yeah, that's a lot better. Does this help?
It's nice, but
Not blowing you away.
it's just it's just not worth the hassle of the. Yeah, honestly, it doesn't taste that much better than your shitty crab sticks.
Yeah, you're having a moment. Hopefully with a fish will pick your spirits up, I'm hoping.
Gentlemen, how is everything?
I'm loving it. Yeah.
Hit the spot? Okay, and then your other items, I think, are coming, right?
On the way, yeah. Right, yeah, here we go, the fiddly bit. Now I see what you mean. I think I got a look on my first floor. Oh, wow.
The mahi.
Right. Mahi, what's that one?
It's mahi. And then you got the scallops right here.
Right, awesome. Alright,
Thank you.
yeah.
That's good.
Oh, it looks soft. Yeah, that looks really good. Oh, what else have we got? Yellowtail. What's that one? So grouper. Yeah. Scallop.
Scallops are good.
Oh, well. That's what I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Scallops are really good. We've had lots
That's
of
proper fresh,
we've had lots of scallops on this trip.
tasty scallops with a little bit of flavouring.
Yeah, we've had got the deep fried scallops which had no taste. We had scallops the other day which we were happy about because they had some taste. But this, an amazing scallop. That's a yellowtail, is it? That's a mahi. So this is mahi. Mahi is good. Yeah, really soft, tasty. Right, yellowtail. So grouper. I think the only one that stands out is grouper because it's a little bit different.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think for flavour-wise, that might have the edge, but it's not in the fish, it's in the seasoning.
So mahi you think's your favourite?
It's generally whichever one I've just eaten.
These scallops are the winners. The last scallop. Eaton Street Seafood Market, one of my favourite meals of this trip. All grilled fish, all super tasty. The scallops, oh yeah, the best scallops I've ever had in my life. Yeah, this has been a good meal, so highly recommend this place. So what we'll do, we're going to get a taxi back to the boat. It's getting a little bit late now. Possibly grab a couple of beers whilst the sun goes down, and then plan our trip out for tomorrow. We're going to move on to Miami.